Hello everyone, this is a quick video of a repair on what I perceive as a design flaw with the Ryobi P2003 String Trimmer. I really like this trimmer. It was purchased at a big box hardware store. It's very powerful. It does the great job. I do find that it doesn't really work well on the smaller capacity batteries. It needs something like a 2 amp hour or larger to really do work and last, but on the larger batteries you can go several hours without having to change them. So here's what I perceive as the flaw. I owned this for about 2-3 hours when it stopped feeding the string. And I know you're not supposed to bump this, but everybody kind of does. It actually works on inertia. When you stop the trigger, it will feed string. And mine stopped doing that. So what I discovered was, after time using it on a brick patio, this part right here actually gets quite warm. So the plastic seems to warp on the feed mechanism internally. And what I found was this little button right here stopped moving. This is what releases and stops the internal spool from feeding line. So what I found was, in this area, it was actually wedged against the black portion of the spool and not allowing it to move. So let me take it apart. I'll show you what I'm talking about, and I can show you the fix. Here's the spool, and inside there's a white piece of plastic with 2 little triangles on it, and every time you stop it, it moves and allows the spool to release, and then when you start it, it springs back out and captures it. In the bottom of the spool, there's little spurs that catch on those little triangles. So what I discovered, and you can probably see it really well now, is this white was forced up against the black, not allowing it to move. So very simple fix. I took my trusty box cutter and just forced it into this area here and carefully cut this window open a little bit larger. Now it feeds perfectly well, no problems at all. The other problem you may have with this is a replacement spool from the same big box store, and I found that sometimes the windings on it get caught down deep. So I'm not sure how they wound it, if it was on a machine, but you can almost see on this one here. See if I can get a better camera angle here, where it's actually tucked underneath. So you occasionally have to pull it up and feed it. And obviously now it's free, but I found that sometimes on the store-bought ones, it will hang up and almost be spooled over itself. So probably what you want to do, just to make sure that doesn't happen, is unspool it and rewind it. So I hope this helps everybody. Like I say, it's a very good trimmer. Had no problems with it. Really does a great job, except for that one problem, which I call a design flaw. Hope you enjoy this video, and take care.